Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Xiaomi has released its Redmi Note 15 5G phone. The Redmi Note 15 series has always been about bringing flagship level features to a budget friendly price point. Now take a look at specifications and features. It is powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset with a 2.4 GHz octa-core CPU and GPU of 18710. Its performance is zippy for everyday tasks and casual gaming. It's paired with a 6, 8 and 12 GB of RAM. And the storage will be 128 and 256 GB. Smartphone boasts an AMOLED touchscreen display with a large 6.77 inches screen size, Full HD plus adaptive sync display, and the resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels with a blazing fast 144 Hz refresh rate, 3200 nits peak brightness. For phone protection, there is a under-display optical fingerprint reader. On the back, you will find a dual camera setup. The camera system features a 50 megapixel wide main camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. While it's not a flagship camera, it's more than capable of capturing sharp, clear photos. The 8 megapixel front camera is solid for photos and video calls. The smartphone comes with a massive 5800 mAh battery. Xiaomi claims it can last up to 48 hours on a single charge. Plus you get 45-watt fast charging support. Phone runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 with Android 15 operating system. If you are looking for a phone that delivers on display, performance and especially battery life without breaking the bank, the Redmi Note 15 is a serious contender for the mid-range king of 2025. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.